So here we are, Bornos. It's actually my favourite flying site. It's probably my only flying site now. And I've been lucky enough to join Sky School for their last week here. And I think everybody's had a great time. The weather is perfect. The lake's filled up with water, but we still have 1,000 acres, well, not quite that much, but yeah, with a big takeoff area. But lovely time. Thank you.
Wind is lovely, got about 7-8 mile an hour wind coming in, absolutely perfect for training. And hopefully this evening, if the thermals die down a little bit, which hopefully they should do, we're going to have the 4 students who have flown before, hopefully going to get in the air.
Stay when all is left is my sorrow. Please pray when all you feel is you don't know. Please stay if you believe in tomorrow. Please say that you'll be there when I let go.
This is the end of our first day here in Bornos, okay? We have had 2 pilots who have come for their second week, of course, have flown today. They had a great flight. And for the rest of the students, they had a taster of forward launches and are slowly starting to get into that reverse kiting technique, ready for hopefully tomorrow we get the reverse kiting perfected, and then hopefully on Wednesday we go to Cornell and get some lovely flying done. Perfect, so we're here, day 2 in Bornos, ending the day, and I'm going to go for a cheeky little flight by myself. Well, we've got 2 other pilots going with us. It'd be a nice way to end the day. Glorious sunset here in Bornos.
progression is like sky high. The learning curve is like extremely steep. The only sad news is tide is coming in. We are slowly losing the ground. But the good news is there's a fantastic restaurant just there, on top of the takeoff area. So we are gonna go there soon and enjoy the day. Enjoying the day and the beach.
Beautiful. It's perfect. We're the only people in the sky. Got the kite surfers behind us, and me, Ricardo, and Sam flying. Woohoo! Perfect.
A balloon that's fueled by love elation. You know that flight's over soon and hit the ground.